Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video you're going to see different types of folded patchwork, sewing machine cover design and ideas. You can make this amazing and different patchwork sewing machine cover with beautiful color combination ideas. If you like these ideas friend, then you can encourage me and vote me by subscribing my channel, by liking my videos and sharing my videos with friends and your family members. I hope that you love more design and ideas. Thanks for watching my video.